The sound of birdsong in your garden is not only a delight, but birds are nature's way of keeping insects under control. Gardening to attract birds doesn't require a massive shift in the way you do things, and it costs very little to make your garden the restaurant and spa of choice for the birds in your neighborhood.
Some of the birds you can attract to your garden in this area are the Cape Sugarbird, the Cape White-eye, the Cape Sparrow, the Cape Robin, and of course the Cape Weaver. So attracting birds to your garden is very easy to do. We just need to provide some shelter, a source of food, and a supply of fresh drinking water for them.
The first step is to provide a safe haven for the birds. They require a place to nest and shelter from predators. In addition, if you choose trees and shrubs that offer fruit and nectar, you will provide a shelter and a natural food source simultaneously. The acacia tree has sharp thorns that keep away the predators. The orange tubular flowers of the tree fuchsia are filled with nectar and small fruits, both favored by birds. Paedopus produces masses of small white flowers and red-black fruits for birds to feast on. To entice wild birds, the cheesewood has sweetly scented cream flowers and fruits that split open to reveal seeds. The nectar-rich orange-colored flowers of the coral tree attract a wide variety of birdlife. The nectar of the mountain bottlebrush attracts sunbirds and many other species. Besides having thorns that protect the birds from predators, the Carissa shrub also produces lovely bright red berries. The wild pomegranate produces orange tubular flowers and seeds. The Mickey Mouse bush boasts attractive flowers that change from yellow to red and shiny black seeds which are loved by fruit-eating birds. The yellow pea flowers of the Cape rattlepod are very attractive to sunbirds and sugarbirds. Bride's bush has white flowers that attract insects for birds to feed on, and black berries that are also enticing. The pretty pink plume produces nectar-filled pink flowers. Aloes are hardy and water-wise, and they are firm favorites with sunbirds and sugarbirds. Birds find the orange nectar-filled flowers of the wild dagga irresistible. In fact, the Zulu name for this shrub is bird's beer.
A bird bath is essential in every garden, preferably near thick foliage and trees so birds can perch nearby. It should be a shallow, rough-bottomed pool of still water. For smaller birds, you can add a few stones that stick out of the water for them to land on. Ponds, garden streams or water features are also very attractive to birds. Always keep them topped up with fresh water.
Despite indigenous plants being the preferred food of choice for garden birds, a bird feeder can certainly help to attract a greater variety of birds to your garden. Build or buy a bird feeder. There are a wide selection available at your nearest Stodels store.
Organic gardens are full of insects and other organisms that attract birds. The birds in turn will help control pests, which reduces the amount of pesticide used in your garden. This creates a healthily balanced ecosystem. Remember, indigenous plants are generally resistant to pests.